want to stay up to date on all our new videos, hit the subscribe button.
We're going to learn help, help me, help them, help you, help us, or each other, and do you need help? And I'm going to show you how to express a question when you're signing. So let me show you all those different ways to say help. 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 Help me. Help and pull it towards you. Help me. Help them. Help them. Help you. Help you. Help us. Or help each other. And do you need help? It's all about the facial expressions. Do you need help? Do you need help?